Welcome to the tutorial video of U16 Flex Vacuum Cleaner. First, let's confirm what's in the box. You should find main unit, floor brush, folding conductive rod, battery pack, crevice nozzle, HEPA filter, charging wall mount, adapter, user manual and warranty card, and a dedicated cleaning brush. First, align the main unit with the slot on the battery pack, and push it in until you hear a click. Straighten the folding conductive rod, and connect it to the main unit and floor brush respectively. Make sure each connection point is snapped into place, and the connection is secure. Hold the body, press the power button, the vacuum cleaner will start, and automatically enter normal mode. For stronger suction, tap the center control button to activate turbo mode. For extended operation, press the button again to enter eco mode. We have also specially designed the green light dust display function to help you find dust that is invisible to the naked eye. Use the equipped long crevice tool to clean sofa gaps, and the integrated 2-in-1 brush makes it easy to dust curtains. When you need to clean under furniture or other narrow spaces, simply fold the conductive rod, and you can easily reach those areas that are usually difficult to reach. Press the dustbin release button, and gently pull out the dustbin assembly. Rotate the HEPA filter according to the instructions, remove and clean it. The brush head of the cleaning brush is suitable for cleaning dust on the HEPA filter. If the HEPA filter is too dirty, you can wash it with water, but make sure it is completely dry before using it again. Apart from the HEPA filter, the long crevice tool, roller brush, dustbin, and its filter components are all washable with water. The electric floor brush contains a motor, which should not be washed with water, but can be wiped with a dry cloth. Make sure all parts are completely dry before reassembling, to extend the life of the vacuum cleaner. Make sure all accessories are back in place, ready for next use. If you encounter any problems or need assistance, please contact our customer service team. Thank you for choosing the U16 Flex Vacuum Cleaner. We hope your cleaning experience is easy and enjoyable.